Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a Amazon association link. So firstly, just simply go to your browser, then just simply type in Amazon affiliate over here. Now go to the Amazon affiliate. Now over here, after coming to Amazon Associates, just simply log into your Amazon Associate store. So in any case, if you haven't made a store by now, just simply create a new account and make a store and link it with your Amazon account. So after you have made your Amazon Association account, just simply open a new tab and just simply search in for your Amazon. Then go to your Amazon homepage and log in with your Amazon Associate ID, which is this one. So after you do that, you will find a new type of Amazon Association bar on top of your normal Amazon homepage, as you can see over here. Now after creating the Amazon Association account, you will find this bar over here. So how you can get the link? So for getting the link, all you have to do is just simply choose a product. Let's say for example this table. Now after the product is opened on your web page, all you have to do is just simply go to text over here and copy the link. You can also go with the full link if you want that, or a link with the image, or a link with image and text. You can choose any one of them, but for me I will just simply go with the text, and in the text format I will go with the short link. Now after getting the link, all is left for you to is share this Amazon Associate link. You can share this from your YouTube or website, or even directly from text message. Let me show you. Just simply enter the link and send it. That's it. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.